Before I start the vlog, I want to say I'm sorry about my audio recently from this camera. This camera I'm using at the minute is a Sony RX100 Mark V. And like the built-in mic in it is like very poor. If you listen really closely, there's like this motory whining noise from it. It's weird. So what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer nice crisp audio, or would you prefer nice slow motion cinematic footages? I don't know, right? Leave a comment in the section below, which do you prefer? Bit of an apartment update, guys. Got a tree, a new TV, things for the walls. Well, computer desk, bars, then a mirror for the hallway. Hey, actually hold up, I want to show you something really cool. Okay, you watching? You watching? Boom, not bad guys. Not bad at all. The lights under the sofa and all that stuff, and I can change them to whatever color. So if you want red, there's red, blue. How cool is that? And then this one, you want blue, red, blue. Okay, so let's try this one. Blue, blue, very red. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, you gonna do it? Up. Where do you start off? The gang members, Barbara Kurt, young Hugo, young Tim in the backseat. Gang members doing gang activities. But really, we're going to collect a car for Kurt. Because Kurt's been grinding real hard recently, and it's good to see a brother get paid. Now we're here, look at all these cars. Got the Porsche, Merc, Range, Hyundai. Yeah, flex. You excited?
Yeah, tasty.
Yeah, nice bro. Car dealership there, I'm just taking Hugo for a pee. Come on. Young Hugo, young Kurt, viewing cars that we're not gonna buy.
Yeah.
Well, he is. So we're in Kurt's car. It's pretty cool. Push to start. Tim, what do you think of it? I think it's a really nice car. Oh, it goes higher. Alright, go low. Get your head on it. Yeah, Tim, you get in the back seat. Let you go flex in the front. Good boy. Good boy. Good half an hour, 45-minute drive. We're finally back to civilization. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. So Tim has a really bad phobia of boogies. Okay. Yo! It's okay. Yo! It's so yo. Dude, I'm driving! Behave! It's okay. It's okay. Whenever I'm driving, you best behave. I will crash this car right now. I will crash this in the... This car park used to be a human service car park, but now machines are stealing everyone's jobs. Shit. Yo, Ricky, what a lose. What a lose. What's it doing today? Hello? Hi, what's new? I like your ass.
Like my ass?
Yeah. How do you feel about my sliders?
If you had bigger feet, they would look ugly, but you're alright.
Anyone ever? Oh yeah! Oh, I just got that on my face. Has anyone ever got their BCG needle here? If you have, comment in the comment section below. As I'm getting tattooed, Tim rung masseuse over. That's him there, masseuse.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
I knew that.
Whoa, what? Can you do that?
Well, race me.
What do you think, guys? When you sterilize it thoroughly, yeah?
Sterilize you.
I'm not gonna get hepatitis.
I exclusively only get hepatitis.
He's only joking, by the way.
Yeah, so my name's Tim, and yeah, yeah, so I'm from Hong Kong, and me and Ricky share the same old school language, Hakka. So yeah, I'm looking for a girlfriend. No chest, no sex.
How do you want me?
Any way you want it. Oh, famous people.
Are you gonna join me like this?
Yeah, so by the looks of it, guys, I'm gonna have to get my body boots on.
Look at raw, dude. No gloves. Looks like the given birth angle.
Guys, try.
Who needs tattoos if you can just Millie Rock? I'm Millie Rock in the never block. Millie Rock in the mini block. The Millie Rock.
What sound does Shark make?
I don't ever remember this TV show. Ah, there we go. Street Sharks. Well, I don't know, they kind of defy the laws of biology. The laws of biology or physics. Like, they're walking around and like there's no water in their surroundings. Like, how do they breathe? How are they living? We need answers. A lot of questions that need to be answered, Dave.
But they are in fact the street sharks.
Real question though, like, how are they still alive? There's no water, they can't breathe. Shark have fins, they have fins.
But due to their genetic mutation, their fins now filter.
How do you even have legs either? Evolution. Questions, a lot of questions that need to be answered, guys.
Yeah.
Me and you are good friends, right?
Yeah.
I don't understand like how we are like still friends after like the amount of pain like you deliver to me in daily basis.
That's what keeps it interesting.
What kind of friend are you? Like you've put me in through so much pain that no one's ever had. That doesn't sound right. My getting tattooed face. My mum always told me not to do that because it gives you wrinkles.
Yo, bro, you okay? Push. How many push-ups can you do? Bro, that's not push-ups, that's missionary. Missionary. I'm talking about missionary. Missionary. When she's on her back and I'm on top. Missionary.
34 and a half.
My one's the Cobra lock. Can we appreciate Dave's armrest for tattoo? What are you? 15-year-old girl?
Bet your damn ass. I'm a 15-year-old girl and a 28-year-old man's body.
You're not just a pretty face and fat ass. Yo guys, so Dave used to be a hair model for a hairdresser called Peter Marks. Show me your talent now. Me, you, now, let's go. Rock up. Here's a story about Dave. He was semi-pro in snooker, and sadly he lost his hair and lost all his talent. Good game, bro. Good game.
Good game. Good game.
Better luck next time. Oh, hey there. So we're just at the hardware store here to buy some stuff. Dude, stop killing me because my shoes. What's wrong with them?
Those shoes for a start.
We're wondering why we are at the hardware store. It's because we are looking for a sledgehammer. It's called that a pickaxe.
Is it pickaxe here?
That's not a pickaxe.
I don't know, like the fun.
A hatchet.
It's quite heavy. Yo, there's a bigger one. X25, and we got the X27. Where's the X27 at?
So that's just to make up for something. Guys, we're in a bit of a dilemma here. What would be better to smash something? A hatchet or a sledgehammer? His axe is £52, sledgehammer is 17. We're getting a sledgehammer. That prank with the clown. We're gonna have so much fun. Me, man, I got a sledgehammer in my boot. Don't mess with me, man.
Ricky,
Don't
wait.
fuck with me, dog. I ain't about that life, man.
Ricky,
About that life. What?
Ricky, why is your Bluetooth name Polish Car Wash?
I don't know. Just to fuck shit up. Millie Rock.
Yeah, guys, don't Millie Rock and drive at the same time. It's dangerous.
Millie. Yo, dude. We should make like a really dramatic entrance. Okay, go walk. Just walk. Okay, door's not open. Smash it.
Oh, hey, here you go. Look, we got sledgehammer.
Okay, guys, this is the thing that we need to smash up because it's too big that we can't fit in the car. So we need to mash it all up and throw it to the dump. We're gonna start first.
I don't know.
I think you should try to handle. Right, dude.
Told you the axe would have been better. See, Ricky didn't listen to me. The axe would have been better. Watch your finger. Wave it. Yeah. Yeah.
That sucked. That's it. I just literally beat up a sofa just to make it sit in my car.
Some job, like. Some job.
Really proud of what I done. Like, if you want something done, do it yourself. Like, I've been meaning to like move that sofa for ages, but I just couldn't get a hold of a van. I don't want to pay for a van. So, what better way than just to spend like £15 on a sledgehammer, not beating it down, and just taking a dump. Sweat. This is sweat of achievement. Achievement sweat.
Look at that. Oh. Okay, he's so lost. He just doesn't know where to put shit. Good job, good job. Oh, there goes the big one. There goes the big one.
Like loads of bikes down there. I dare you to get on one and ride it. And he's gonna do it. I like the pink one. Do the little small pink one.
Bro, I walked on legs over there. I can't push this shit.
Come on. Go, 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 go.
He goes a wheel.
Ah, Splinter! Okay, we're just in the house here. We got food. We're all stocked up, and now it's time to bleach Tim's hair. You ready? Is this really strong bleach, babe? Is it? Is your heart? Why is your heart going crazy, dude?
I don't know. But it's like.
Is it singing?
No. Ah, my hair's on fire.
Right, leave that on for half an hour.
So yeah, Ricky's a hairdresser. Oh shit. Okay, so it's been an hour, so let's check.
We have.
Oh my god, I'm going to put on my eyes. Oh Jesus.
Yeah, it actually left a lot than we expected, but it's still not blonde enough, so we're gonna put another set of bleach in. So it's been 15 minutes and Tim's pacing like a motherfucker right now. Tell me, what do you feel?
So fucking sore.
What to explain? Like,
It's burning, my head's like in the...
people watching, there's kids watching this.
My head's in lava right now. Like in Minecraft, you know the lava.
The floor's lava! Okay, so, the floor's lava! Stay. Okay, so what do you feel right now? Okay. How long do we have left, by the way?
No, 2 minutes.
No, we're having another like 10 minutes left.
What did you ask?
You're about to cry like a little bitch.
I'm not good.
It's like, it's your t-shirt wet, but it's just a design. You ready, dude?
No man, I'm so
okay, so
fucking
now
sore.
it's, what's this thing called? Toner. It's toner. We're gonna put toner in his hair. Mi scusi! Mi scusi! You ever watched that movie before? Mi scusi! Okay, so it is 10:30 at night, and we started at around 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. So it took like 3.5 hours to do. And this is the outcome, guys. So we bleached it 2 times.
Yeah, it was so painful, the worst experience ever.
I know. And then we toned it. My hair would never, ever in a million years lift to this colour. Hugo, what do you think of it? Yes? Hugo agrees. Guys, today has been a really long day. And it's safe to say I did a lot of things today. How can one person cram so many things like, all in one day? Okay guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you love the videos I make, subscribe. Peace.